Every new year, we tell ourselves, this year will be different. But by February, we're often stuck in the same patterns. Why does this keep happening? Maybe it's time to try something different. In today's video, we're exploring 4 unusual ways to break free from old habits and truly make 2025 unlike the years before it. Let's dive in. Welcome to Colorful Show. Today we will talk about Don't Let 2025 Be Like the Previous Years, 4 ways to break the cycle. Chapter 1, Start a Failure Journal. Meet Ben. Every year, Ben struggled with fear of failure. Every time something didn't go as planned, he'd mentally beat himself up. But in 2025, he decided to start something unconventional, a failure journal. Every time he faced a setback or made a mistake, he would write it down. But here's the twist, he also had to write what he learned from it. What did Ben find? The more he embraced his failures and wrote them down, the less power they had over him. In fact, his failures became his greatest teachers. By documenting the bumps in the road, Ben could move past them faster. So, if you want to make 2025 different, maybe it's time to embrace failure as your greatest ally instead of something to avoid. Chapter 2, Do one thing that scares you every week. Sophie's life was predictable. Comfort was her safety net. But in 2025, she made a bold decision. Every week, she would do one thing that scared her. It could be anything, calling someone she admired, signing up for a new class, or facing an old fear like public speaking. At first, it was terrifying, but after a few weeks, Sophie started to feel stronger, braver, and more alive. The more she faced her fears, the more she realized that growth happens when you step outside your comfort zone. If you want 2025 to be different, challenge yourself to do something that scares you every week. It could change your life. Chapter 3, Give up one convenience for a month. Alex loved convenience. Smart gadgets, fast food delivery, and always being online. But in 2025, he decided to give up one convenience for an entire month. For the next 30 days, Alex refused to use any food delivery apps. Instead, he committed to cooking his meals from scratch. It wasn't easy at first. But by the end of the month, Alex felt more present and connected to the food he ate. He gained a sense of pride in doing something the hard way. Sometimes, getting rid of something we rely on daily can help us reconnect with ourselves and the things we often take for granted. Want a fresh start in 2025? Try giving up one convenience. It might just be the most eye-opening experience of your year. Chapter 4, Commit to doing nothing for 30 minutes a day. Jasmine had a busy life. Work, family, social media, errands, her schedule was packed, and downtime was a rare luxury. But in 2025, she committed to something unconventional, doing absolutely nothing for 30 minutes every day. No phone, no distractions, just sitting in silence, letting her mind wander. It was harder than it sounded. At first, Jasmine felt restless. But over time, she realized how much this simple practice rejuvenated her mind and body. The art of doing nothing became her secret to staying grounded and focused. In a world that never slows down, 30 minutes of stillness every day can be a powerful reset. Give it a try in 2025, you might be surprised by how much it enhances your creativity and peace of mind. 2025 doesn't have to be another year of repeating the same mistakes. Sometimes, breaking free from the cycle requires unconventional thinking. By embracing failure, stepping out of your comfort zone, giving up convenience, and taking time to do nothing, you can create real change. Don't let this year be like the last. Make 2025 the year you start living differently. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice day.